How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny arms in only 2 minutes, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, dylanberg999. First exercise we're going to do is going to be twists like this. It's 50, keep going. "100 repetitions, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do curls like this. Perfect, you guys, that was 60 repetitions. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.